Meaning of FR.
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 FR. FR can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It could stand for France, which is a country in Western Europe. Alternatively, it could be an abbreviation for frequency, a term used in electronics, or frame rate, a term used in video production and animation. In the context of currency exchange, FR could also refer to the Swiss franc, which is the official currency of Switzerland. The specific meaning of FR should always be determined based on the context in which it is being used.